Okay. Here's some reasons, other choices other than being a truck driver. Join the military. Why? Get treated better, have more benefits, more opportunities for the rest of your life. And your self-confidence would be increased big time, especially if you actually go through real military, like the Army or the Marines, you know. And there's Air Force. And then there's always Navy. Or you can be a police officer. Sign up, do what you gotta do. Let them to send you through their school. You got benefits, you got a car, you can carry a gun. You used to be able to shoot people, but now that's the fun part, but it's out of it. Any population getting too damn big. It's always twice as it was in the 70s. There's probably room nice streets. No, there's not. No, it's nice to have nobody around. No cities around. I'm a truck driver. Here's reasons why not to be one. You're a pawn when you're a company driver. They don't really care about you. If they did, we're not to fight to get a reset. They want you to move that truck, move that truck. Oh, they're big. They, the people in power, really want the robot truck. Don't do with the human element. About human rights. Yeah. Anyways. Another reason why not be a truck driver. Oh, go truck driver? Say goodbye to your wife. Don't need one. Nope, this week depend upon Lefty and Roger. Rose and your 5 sisters. But there's some, there's few. They're always an exception to the rule. They accept for ones. It still has one. I mean, look, the wife will understand. That's just, in the Army too. Now you might not keep the wife either. Deployments and everything. Come back and Jody's banging her. I guess the cheapest thing is just having an open marriage. Morals of the world. Oh my God. Another reason why you should not be a truck driver. Divorce. I mean, you have a relationship with the son. My dad's always gone 9 months at a time down the deployments in the CBs. I'm Daddy's boy. When he was home, he taught me a lot. I applied that teaching when he was gone. I'm only gone a month at a time, maybe 2. Home a week or 2. Excuse me being weird about the purpose. I'm getting over what I'm getting over. I'm gassing everything out. A couple of videos. I'm going to talk you out of being a truck driver. Can't afford to buy your own truck. Shouldn't be a truck driver. Because it's way, I mean, you can get the truck, but it's going to be hard. Sucky, sucky, sucky. I mean, I'm going through it now. From this lease program. Just do it. Sacrifice everything. You mean sacrificing everything. Just do it. Just do it. Yeah, just get the military. Retired from the military, do 20 years or so retired, then you can be a truck driver. Because you have that retirement coming in. And if they piss you off, just go, yeah, I'm going home. 'Cause, you know, you got to get the money. 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 You got to get tell him till you come home. Like, nah, block that number for him, man. I'm like, oh yeah. Remind him. And yeah, I took him out off. So I can afford to. So I served my country. I was able to get my nose clean and not get injured. I got money coming in. So if you want to be an asshole, I can be an asshole too. Drive one of your trucks. But not very many people have the backbone to do that. But oh, we're not be mad at you. Yeah, I was getting on to my oldest son. He's skateboarding, but little hole in the ground. He went over, keep my momentum going. He just like gets off the board, like get back, do it again. Do it again. Don't get off, do it again. Do it again. You know. And this fat bitch, ugly, shitty car, says, oh, like, that's child abuse. I'm like, this, I smell libtard. I'm like, fuck you. I'm like, fuck you. And he's going, fuck you too. I'm like, no, life already fucked you. Look at this piece of shit car you drive. Look how fucking ugly you are. I wouldn't fucking hit that with, that dude's dick and the other person's pushing. Man, you just disgust me. That child abuse. What children have to see something that ugly? I can be cruel. I can be wicked. Come on, get wicked. Mess with me, but you mind out my business? We're talking about the Christmas parade thing in Heber. I'm with my sons and some honk horn. I'm like, I wasn't horn work to the driver. Horn blows, does the driver. And some dumbass like, oh, there's kids here. I'm like, my kids heard worse than that. Worse than that. Their kid probably doesn't even know what that means. Or does he? Giving him daddy issues? Keep on walking. What are you gonna do? Nothing. Here's a bunch of pussies down here. They're not gonna punch you. They're pretty po-po. They got too much to lose. Another reason why I don't be a truck driver. Might end up like me.